Are you tired of having dental problems and not being able to solve them effectively? Are you tired of poor oral health? Are you tired of dental pain from the inflammation that harmful bacteria cause on your teeth? If you want to put an end to this once and for all, follow me to the end of this review. If you want to know if the Prodentim supplement really works, what are the risks of this, you've come to the right review, because I'm going to give you very important information about Prodentim, and I'm also going to give you some important warnings to preserve your health. So guys, the first alert is be careful with the website you're gonna buy Prodentim, because today, this product is only sold on the official website. And I'm telling you this because I have seen many people damaging their health, having health problems, like diarrhea, stomach aches, headaches, by buying Prodentim on counterfeit sites. You have to be very careful with these sites because they are using adulterated nutrients in the counterfeit Prodentim formula. And to help you, I left the link to the official website down below in this video's description. You can click there later and see a little bit more about it. And the second alert, guys, is for you to be careful with these other videos that people say they used Prodentim and had miraculous results, but do not believe it, because there are no miracle supplements and many scammers are leaving the fake product link for you to click. After all, what is Prodentim and what ingredients are present in the formula? Prodentim is a new and advanced oral probiotic that was created specifically to keep our dental health in check. It is a special combination of several probiotic strains, and the nutrients it contains are backed by scientific research. The formula works on the root cause of tooth decay while improving overall oral health, and its formula is in capsule form, which users should take daily to support oral and dental health in multiple ways. What is innovative about the Prodentim formula is the 100% natural, powerful ingredients that are found in the capsules of this supplement. And the ingredients include Lactobacillus Paracasei, Lactobacillus Reuteri, and other ingredients that you can check on the official site that I left here in the description. What are the benefits of the Prodentim supplement for our lives? The regular use of Prodentim brings several benefits to our health, because this supplement eliminates the harmful bacteria that are responsible for our bad breath, helping to reduce plaque, preventing gingivitis, and leaving our breath tastier and fresher, and also helps to whiten our teeth. Therefore, we will have a much more beautiful and refreshing smile, and we will be happier because we will have great oral health. What are the side effects? This supplement has no side effects. This supplement has no effects like traumatic suicidal thoughts, swelling in hands, legs, and no dizziness. So yes, you can trust this product. Will all consumers have the same results after using Prodentim? Unfortunately not, because many people don't follow the treatment correctly. That is, they don't use the supplement every day as directed, they forget to take it, or they take it only 3 times a week and want to have immediate results. But, to improve your health, you need to use Prodentim every day, and after a few weeks or months you will have the results. The time varies from person to person, because each body is unique and reacts in a different way to the ingredients present in the supplement. But you need to know that there are many people having great results with Prodentim, and you can have results as well. What is the best way to use Prodentim? The manufacturers advise taking 1 capsule every morning to support the health of your entire body, gums, and teeth. You can take it for as long as you wish, as the formula is natural and you can use the supplement continuously, but according to my research, most consumers experienced great results after 3 months of use. And guys, another important warning about this product that you need to know before you buy it, is that this product has a 60-day guarantee and you can actually test it, and if for some reason you don't get results, your money will be returned immediately. I look forward to seeing your feedback in 2 months, and I sincerely hope you get great results. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and if you have any questions you can leave them in the comment.